Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. And as I posted previous video, I got driving license in Abu Dhabi, basically. So Abu Dhabi driving license I got, and I will tell you how much it costs to get a driving license, as I don't have a India driving license. I didn't get a time, इंडिया में टाइम ही नहीं मिला कि मैं ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस ले सकूं. सो अनफॉर्चुनेटली इट्स माय मिस्टेक, बट मेरे पास इंडिया का लाइसेंस नहीं था, तो मैंने यूएई में बहुत मेहनत करके ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस लिया. एज यू नो, आई एम वर्किंग एज अ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग मैनेजर इन अबू धाबी. सो driving license is very crucial for me, and for whoever is working in marketing field or a sales, business development, and some crucial top management role or some related role. So driving license is very key role. Everyone will ask you, do you have a UAE driving license? So that's why I have taken decision to take, and my office colleague also motivate me to take a UAE driving license. It will benefit for me, and also it's easier for transportation. If I will buy car, I will go here and there is no obstacle, right? So this is a very, very important thing. I finally got it, because it's very hard. So I will tell you the whole process, how I get a driving license here in UAE. Especially I applied in Abu Dhabi, because Abu Dhabi and Dubai a little helpful. In Abu Dhabi and Dubai having a little difficult. People used to say in my office, because my office in Dubai and Abu Dhabi both, so I'm used to go in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. So basically my colleagues are saying Dubai is little difficult and more expensive in compared to Abu Dhabi. But however, both are difficult. It's not easy job, as we are getting driving license in India. It's very easy there in India, but here it's, and I didn't get a golden chance because I don't have a India license, or if you having your country license, you will get golden chance in Abu Dhabi. So first process what I have done, first you should have a Emirates ID, valid Emirates ID and valid visa directly. So you will go to any of for eye checkup, for optical. I went for a Yatim Opticals. It's authorized partner for the Abu Dhabi police. So from where I did a eye checkup, and as you can see, I'm wearing glass always. So my eye was completely fine. So I got, and color blindness, they are checking if you having any color blindness issue. So mine was fine, and I got, after eye checkup, you have to open your driving file on Abu Dhabi website. So I used TAM application, and my PRO, company PRO and HR helped me in this. And once file is open, then you have to pay for file opening around AED 203 dirham. Like 203 dirham is for a file opening, and for eye checkup 100 dirham you have to pay to opticals. Okay, from where you will get a eye checkup, and it will directly go to the Abu Dhabi police and Emirates driving school, that optical reports, because everything is synced with our Emirates ID, right? So this report will go, and once file is open, then you have to take a appointment for your theory test. For theory test, before theory test, we have to study about the rule and regulation. Around 200 page PDF book you will get, and online classes, 15-10 minutes video. Recorded video is there, so from where you will learn all the rules, regulation, the road marks, road sign, and the speed limit in the city, in the highway, and the rules, pedestrian rules, and the emergency rule, emergency stop, and all the basic things that we have to follow for as a good driver, and for our safety and other safety. It's not like mandatory, but it's mandatory for ourselves, not to get to save from fine or something. It's for our life and others' lives who are driving together, right? So once a study complete, then you have to take a appointment for a theory test. Theory test, like around, I have paid for a theory classes, eight classes. Online I have taken. I didn't go for offline, because I have to go Musafa for Emirates driving school every day for a classes. So I didn't take. I taken online classes, and I studied all things. I repeat 2-3 times to get, because passing marks is around 80%. For total number of questions you will get 45. Out of 45 you have to correct it 36. If you are doing below 36, you will get failed, and again you have to give the theory test, because without theory test you will not proceed further. So test is very important, and it's not easy. Be careful. It's easy, I'm not saying it's difficult, but be careful. Study very deeply, because the common sense question will come, and sign and symbol, it's not similar to India. or your country might be different from your country, so be careful. Okay, next, once you pass the theory test, I actually scored around 42 marks out of 45. I studied 2-3 times, and one of my colleagues scored 44 out of 45, and she also got a driving license in UAE, and one of my roommate also did so. He also scored the around 44 43 he also scored. So if you studied 2-3 times, you will definitely pass. And it's common sense questions. Use common sense whenever you are going in cab. Just observe how driver is stopping, how he is doing lane change, and all those things, so you will remember those things. Okay, and next, like once theory test clear, then I paid for a practical classes. As I told you, I don't have a India license, I didn't get a golden chance, so I have to do a practical in the Emirates, inside the Emirates driving school. So from where I took a 16 class, 45-minute each classes. You can book 2 classes in a day, so 45 minutes, 2 classes would be there, where they will teach you about the car, about the all the process, the accelerator, brake, and the all the rule regulation. Because inside Emirates driving school also there is a road, the traffic signal, U-turn, roundabout, and all those things inside the Emirates driving school only. So we will have to go there, and they will teach you one by one all the process. Then you will drive car independently inside the school only, and then they will do assessment also. And once they will feel that you are good, then they will you have to give a parking test. Okay, that is parking test. 2 kind of parking test is happening. One is parallel parking, one is 90-degree parking. Okay, so you have to pass the parking test. Once you pass parking test, then you can go for a road test, final road test. But before final road test, at least 12 hours training from Emirates driving school certified outside rider, outside training provider. 12 hours is mandatory, and more than 12 hours if you can take to get your experience and everything, that would be a good. If you failed in parking test, again you have to do a one refresh parking class, and for that you have to pay extra, and then again you have to give a parking test. Once you pass, then you will move for a final road test. And before road test, 12 hours classes from the outside training provider, from where you have to pay money to them. And I was paying around 150 dirham for 2 hours classes outside. I have taken 10 classes to get experience and everything, because then we are driving on the real road where the road test will happening, and one Abu Dhabi police person will sit in your car, and they will observe you. They will see you how you are doing the SMS process, no seat mirror and seat belt, right? So these are the and then the gear changing, you are putting parking when you are stop, if you are doing an emergency stop, you are giving indicator, and then the hazard lights once the car is stopped. So all this process you have follow, and then they will observe. Once they will feel that you are a good driver, then they will pass you. So I passed in first attempt. One of my roommate also, he passed in first attempt. 3-4 people in my office taken the license during the same time, and everyone passed in same time, because they have taken a outside class and all those things. And in 16 class also, no, there should be a 3 simulator class for 20 minutes. Simulator means you will have to sit on a digital screen, and you will get a car steering, clutch, brake, and everything. Sorry, clutch I did for automatic, so there is no clutch, only gear and the accelerator and brake. Okay, so these things. So on simulator you will see like the steering control and everything. Okay, I will make a more video, and for that also you have to take. And for once you are ready, that you are confident that yeah, I can I am ready for the final road test, so for that you have to take a appointment for a test, and you will get a training permit also before, once you pass the parking test. All this process we did, and we get the driving license. So total cost around, I have spent around 7,500 dirham, which is around 1,80,000 INR I spent for this driving license only. But this is useful and very nice. I'm happy, and all the best whoever is taking driving license in Abu Dhabi. So all the best. Follow the normal rules, and don't be panic. People will tell you that very difficult, you will get failed. Be relax during the final road test. Follow the basic rules, seat belt, mirror, and this all those things you have to take care. Don't be scared of the police, they are very supportive, I mean, and they will not interrupt you anything. But during a emergency stop or a parking, use the basic like rules, the indicator, middle mirror, and this all the side mirror. So everything you have to check and continuously be like a active driver and sincere and responsible driver. So that's why only the things dedication they are checking. Okay, all the best. Hope this video will help. If you want to know anything, please comment. I will answer as soon as possible and I will share my thoughts. Okay guys, thank you.